The good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 13 from verse 22 to verse 30. Who I go through the narrow door? Jesus did go to Jerusalem and a teach as him pass through the town and district them. Somebody asked him say, Lord, I'm going to little bit of people are going to get saved. Jesus answered them say, try uno best to go through the narrow door. No somebody go try to go in, but now go get in. The time I go come when the owner of the house get up and lock the door and uno will turn up out a door and knock and beg, Sir, open the door for we. But him we answer say, me no know no or which part uno come from. Then uno will say, we used to yam and drink with you. And you did teach pa we road. Him will say, me no know no, and me no know where no come from. Go away from me, uno all wicked uno. Uno a go ball and grind uno teeth when uno see Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, and all the prophet them in a God kingdom, and uno get left out. People will come from east and west, and north and south, and go sit down eat big dinner in a God kingdom. But understand this. The one them where they are front, I go there are back. And the one them where they are back, I go there are front. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.